20 classic cars, all under 5 grand. Some rare, some forgotten, every single one with a story waiting to come back to life. 1. 1976 Ford Crown Victoria LTD, $3,500, Springville, New York. A full-size American coupe with a lot of recent mechanical work already done. This 1976 Ford LTD comes with a 351M engine and FMX transmission, and it's described as running and driving well with many new components installed. Brakes, tires, starter, and exhaust system have all been replaced, although there is still a leak at the exhaust flange that will need attention. The interior has new pieces included, and overall it presents as a usable classic with some finishing work needed. 2. 1965 Chevrolet Corvair Monza 110, $2,500, Trafalgar, Indiana. A classic Corvair convertible that still runs, but clearly shows its age. This example has been lightly used over the past couple of decades and remains mostly intact. Rust is present, and the odometer has stopped working, so mileage is only partially verified. It's recommended to transport it rather than drive, making this a straightforward restoration project. 3. 1972 Mercury Grand Marquis, $4,500, Youngstown, Ohio. A large luxury sedan with extremely low reported mileage at just 24,500 miles. The car appears complete and mostly original, having been stored indoors for many years. While the condition looks promising overall, the engine could not be turned over by hand, which suggests possible mechanical issues. It's a clean, original car that may need engine work before returning to the road. 4. 1965 Chevrolet Monza, $1,800, Simpsonville, SC. Another Corvair-based project, this one positioned as a simple and affordable entry into classic car ownership. It's described as a project vehicle with limited detail provided. Condition specifics are minimal, but it's clear this car will require restoration work, a budget-friendly starting point for someone looking to build a vintage project. 5. 1978 Chevrolet El Camino, $3,500, Gainesville, VA. A classic El Camino that runs and drives, with a 305 engine and automatic transmission. The interior is reported to be in very good condition, which is a strong point for a vehicle of this age. There is rust in the quarter panels and a more serious issue in the rear frame rail. It's usable aliassimus, but will need structural attention to reach a higher level of restoration. 6. 1940 Buick Special, $5,000, Boyertown, PA. An older restoration project that has already been brought back to running condition. This Buick has been revived after decades of sitting and is currently roadworthy. It has extensive mechanical updates, including brakes, cooling system, and fuel system components. While not a show car, it's a drivable vintage vehicle with a mix of originality and modifications. 7. 1979 Pontiac Trans Am, $2,500, Battle Creek, Michigan. A well-known muscle-era icon offered here as a non-running project. This Trans Am has had an engine swap and remains mostly complete. It does not run or drive and shows rust, meaning a full restoration is required. Suitable either alayhi salam, a rebuild candidate, or a parts donor, depending on the buyer's plans. 8. 1974 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 long bed, $5,000, London, Ohio. A project truck that still starts and drives, making it a usable base for further work. It has received some recent upgrades, including a new carburetor. However, prior repairs using filler materials are noted, along with a transmission fluid leak. It's functional, but clearly still in project condition.
9. 1953 Plymouth Cranbrook High Drive, $4,800, Peru, Indiana. A mostly restored classic with a strong visual presentation and solid body condition.
This Cranbrook runs and drives and has already had significant restoration work completed. The main issue is engine-related, with a rod knock that will require repair or rebuilding. Despite that, it stands as a largely complete and presentable vintage car. (10) 1979 Mercedes-Benz 240D, $3,000, Buford, GA. A high-mileage diesel sedan known for long-term durability. This example runs and drives well despite having nearly 400,000 miles. It shows cosmetic wear and some rust, but key systems like AC and heat are functioning. A usable classic daily with signs of age and heavy use.
(11) 1973 Ford F1, $4,200, Hardy VA. A long bed pickup that's already running and driving, making it one of the more usable trucks in this lineup. It has had a wide range of recent maintenance work completed. The brake system has been refreshed with new lines, master cylinder, and components throughout. Cooling and fuel systems have also been addressed with a new radiator, water pump, and fuel lines. Additional updates include a new battery and tires, suggesting the truck has been brought back to a dependable driving condition. It presents Aliso as a functional classic rather than a full restoration.
Overall, this is a solid driver-level truck with a clean title, offering a balance between usability and classic project potential. (12) 1959 Edsel sedan, $2,000, Tyrone, Pennsylvania. A rare and recognizable late 50s sedan that still runs and moves under its own power. The car is described as a yard driver with a solid frame. Rust is minimal, according to the seller, which is notable for a vehicle of this age. Structurally, it appears to be in relatively stable condition compared to similar projects. However, the absence of a title is a key limitation that may affect registration depending on location. Buyers will need to consider this before moving forward.
Despite that, it stands alayhi salam, a running vintage car with a unique design, suitable for restoration or casual use on private property. (13) 1977 Ford Country Squire, Royal, $3,000, Campbellsburg, Indiana. A classic station wagon that starts, runs, and drives without major reported issues. It's equipped with a 351 Windsor engine and comes with a clean title. The body is said to have minimal rust and no frame rot, which is a strong point for a wagon of this era. Overall condition appears fairly solid structurally. The only noted issue is a cracked or damaged windshield that will need replacement. Otherwise, it's described alayhi salam, ready for the road.
This is a usable cruiser with only minor needs, offering a straightforward entry into vintage wagon ownership. (14) 1974 Ford F1, $4,500, Temple, GA. An original example with very low mileage reported at just over 22,000 miles. It retains its factory configuration, including the inline-six engine. The truck features a 3-speed column-shift manual transmission, keeping it true to its period driving experience. It appears largely untouched over the years. With only one owner noted, it suggests a consistent ownership history, although detailed condition beyond that is limited.
This is more of a preservation-style truck rather than a modified build, suited for someone interested in originality. $15. 1950 Studebaker Champion, $2,000, Arcanum, Ohio. A 4-door sedan offers a restoration project from an estate sale. The car comes with a clear title and has been sitting. It will require full restoration work, although it does include a new radiator as one of the few updated components. Overall condition reflects a long-term project. The seller recommends bringing a trailer, indicating it is not currently road-ready. Mechanical and cosmetic work should be expected throughout.
This is a basic project platform for someone interested in early post-war American cars.
$16. 1974 Chevrolet K10 Base, $5,000, Morganton, NC. A 4x4 truck that has seen a number of upgrades and remains in running condition. It features an updated front end and multiple new components. Recent work includes new shocks, U-joints, and front end parts, with the 4-wheel drive system reportedly functioning properly. It was driven recently before being parked. The main concern is dropping oil pressure, which led the owner to stop using it. While the engine still runs, this issue will need diagnosis. Overall, it's a mechanically active project truck with solid upgrades, but requiring attention to engine health. $17. 1972 Ford F1, $4,500, Dahlonega, GA. A long-wheelbase truck that runs and drives very well, according to the seller. It has undergone significant mechanical updates. The braking system has been fully upgraded, including a conversion to power disc brakes. Power steering has also been added, improving drivability. It has been driven around 5,000 miles after the mechanical work, indicating it's currently functional. The inline-6 engine remains in place. However, it still needs floor pan and cab mount repairs, making it a mix of a driver and a continuing project. $18. 1970 Oldsmobile 88 2-door Royale, $2,500, Roanoke, AL. A 2-door coupe with very low reported mileage and a running engine. The car drives, but not all systems are fully complete. The braking system has been partially rebuilt, though it currently only operates with front brakes due to a rear hose issue. This limits safe road use. The engine has received a tune-up, along with fuel system servicing, including a new pump and clean tank. Mechanically, it shows signs of maintenance. Due to the brake limitation, it will need to be transported, making it a light project rather than a ready-to-drive vehicle. $19. 1978 MG MGB, $1,500, MT Juliet TN. A barn-find style project that has been sitting unfinished. The car appears complete and retains its overall structure. The seats have been redone, and the convertible top is described alayhi salam being in good condition. Mileage is relatively low at 70,000 miles.
The engine turns over, but there is no confirmation that it runs. It's being sold with a bill of sale rather than a title. This is a low-cost entry project, suitable for restoration or parts use, depending on the buyer's goals. $20. 1976 or 77 Celica liftback, $375. Anderson SC. A very rough example offered primarily for parts.
The body is heavily rusted throughout, with most panels affected. There is no engine or transmission included, and the car does not come with a title. Its usability as a complete vehicle is extremely limited. The value lies mainly in salvageable components for someone restoring another similar model. It's not positioned as a rebuildable car. At this price point, it serves as a parts donor rather than a restoration candidate. If one of these caught your eye, drop it in the comments. And if you enjoy real classic car finds like this, hit subscribe. More are coming.